first curved phone with 6 inches. Here the curve is with the right curve, wherein when we are talking, so you are going to get very good voice quality and sound output. You will be very comfortable because it is the curve which comes with as per our body contour. Not only with the curve, we also are coming up with the self-healing coating technology. The normal scratches which we experience, the back cover, it self-heals the entire scratches over there. Normal scratches which we experience. It is very slim and very easy to handle the device because you come with very slim bezel as well as 6 inches perfectly with curveness. You will be able to use it right from the home screen. Even the UI has been made right from the home screen. You will be able to use it with single hand operation. Apart from that, this phone also comes with a camera which is 13 megapixel DSLR like OIS camera, as well as in this you can see that you have Ultra HD recording capability. So Ultra HD recording capability is there. You have audio zoom, which we say it as audio filter. Like there are 3 mics in this, so that if anyone is at a distant level in 10 feet or 15 feet, you want to hear them and there is a noisy environment, party environment, so automatically it will filter it out and you will be able to hear the voice. With that, we have lot many other features in camera in this, like you have live effect, dual recording as well as track zoom. When we come to photography, we have lot many modes in this. We have short and clear. If you are shooting at a public place wherein someone is coming in between, you can take an image and you can remove them. No internet is required, so it is very intuitive for public image taking. HDR, high dynamic HDR both ways, so that at bright light, at heavy lights, your image will be crystal clear. Panorama, VR panorama shot, 360 degree burst shot, beauty shot. Automatically any marks, anything is there on your phone, automatically it will reduce and you can instantly upload it directly to the Facebook or your social network interested sites. No need for use of any other applications. So dual camera wherein you can change the shapes as per the mood, as per the environment. Star shape if you are you have won the award in your office, or you are with friends, you want to keep it with the as per the time cat shot, so that you can get back anything, like if you are watching a cricket match and you just miss the sixer from Yuvraj Singh, so you can get back that data. Intelligent auto, automatically as per the environment, the camera will adjust the settings and instantly you can take the images. With this, it also comes with 3500 mAh battery, which is also curved. So massive 3500 mAh battery, you can use this phone for 1.75 days comfortably. Apart from that, it comes with world's fastest and stable processor, 2.3 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 processor. So multitasking is very comfortable and very easy. So you are going to enjoy this with 32 GB internal memory. 6 inches OLED screen gives you RGB real colors. As compared with Super AMOLED or AMOLED screens, you get the yellowish or the greenish tint. In this, you are going to get the real colors. I'll just showcase a video. So you can see you will get the real colors in this. So OLED screen, this phone is very durable enough. So this is the curve. This phone is very durable. So you can see the device is now straight and it will come back to its normal shape. So it is very flexible as per the body contour. When you are using it, keeping in your rear pocket, it is really very comfortable. It takes up to 40 kgs of weight.
40 kgs
of weight. Its dealer price is 64,990, already launched and available in market.